When you hear Hunter fan, you typically think of our residential fans that have been a market leader for over 136 years. So Hunter is no longer the company that's just inside your home. Hunter also has an industrial and commercial division that's targeted more at large applications where air movement is critical to improving professional workspaces as well as public spaces.
In 2016, Hunter Fan introduced its commercial industrial line of high-volume, low-speed fans, which quickly became popular for their lightweight, maintenance-free design and highly efficient direct-drive motors.
Hunter Industrial tries to partner with our customers from end to end in a total solution. We're there from the planning and the layout of our fans all the way till post-fan install and support. We have to rely on suppliers and partners within the industry that we can count on, trust their quality, and know that they're with us every step of the way.
To strongly position their industrial brand and to compete with some big rivals, Hunter Fan had 3 ambitious challenges. Use direct drive motors, create a way for customers to program groups of fans throughout a building rather than one at a time, and replace the fan controls with new, easy-to-use touchscreen interfaces. Hunter Fan wanted to use direct drive motors in their industrial fans, which offered advantages over conventional HVLS fans, such as lighter weight, supreme energy efficiency, and elimination of high-maintenance components. But the high pole count and specialized motors needed a special VFD firmware solution.
We wanted to have a solution that could go into almost any facility type, regardless of its size or its power availability. So what we needed in order to do that was a great product that could have high variability, low implementation expense and challenges, consistent repeatability, as well as variability in terms of what applications it could go into. That's where Mitsubishi Electric set itself apart. Hunter needed something that was very specific, that wasn't out there on the market for us already, and we didn't have the capabilities in-house to design it.
That's when the team went to work. US-based Mitsubishi Electric engineers collaborated with the engineering team in Japan to develop the VFD firmware solution. They brought it to Hunter Fan in Tennessee to test, tune, and optimize it for over 40 fan types, blade lengths, motors, applications, and variations.
We've partnered with Mitsubishi on a design that makes it very simple. It's literally plug and play. It's unique, it's a simple design, and it truly is. Plug this device in, turn it on, and you're ready to have your fan running. But what blew us away was their own warranty rate, and it was just unmatched.
After seeing the manufacturing capabilities, the team from Hunter Fan decided to outsource the drive assembly manufacturing to Mitsubishi Electric. Hunter Fan favored the FR D700 series of VFD because it came with a special set of firmware that was able to run direct drive motors. The company liked the VFD's high-quality 5-year warranty, compact size, and economical price point. The entire assembly included the VFD, enclosures, Ethernet cards, power unit, cables, noise prevention, and safety terminal. Mitsubishi Electric Automation became Hunter Fan's sole vendor for VFDs and related components.
Gear drives tend to make a lot of noise, and over time, they just get louder and louder, which can be very annoying to work in a space that has that grinding noise. We don't have any of that. And primarily it's because of our direct drive solution, as well as the variable frequency drive that's working with our direct drive motor. A couple of the greatest compliments we receive from our customers is their ability to get high airflow despite a really quiet operating noise. The Mitsubishi Electric drives allow us to operate our fans at peak performance, but create a very, very quiet product.
The next challenge Hunter Industrial presented to Mitsubishi Electric was to be able to group fans together and power them on and off as a group instead of individually. They also wanted to be able to control the fans through various building automation systems, so they could program on and off times and increase or decrease fan speeds based on current temperatures. All of these features required new programming with additional components such as sensors and remote networking hardware. Mitsubishi Electric was able to deliver on all of Hunter Fan's requests through testing, development, and manufacturing. Last, but certainly not least, Hunter Fan wanted to replace their existing operator interface controls with a variety of glass touchscreens, which would provide customers with an easy-to-use control interface. But this meant that the interface would require a power source. And the tough part is that normally in large warehouses, it can be difficult to find 110-volt outlets, and they're not always positioned where you want them. The solution was power over Ethernet.
All of our wall controllers are actually powered by our variable frequency drives. They're all what's called power over Ethernet, or PoE. So that was a core development in our partnership with Mitsubishi Electric. They worked with us in ensuring that their drives had the capability to not only power and transfer our communications into our wall controllers, making that accessible where the wall controllers can be anywhere within a facility powered by one simple wire.
Hunter Fan had originally used third-party Ethernet cards that cost as much or more than the actual drive. Mitsubishi Electric was able to leverage high-volume purchasing and produce the cards much more affordably. This meant significant savings for Hunter Fan. Now the custom Ethernet card goes into the drive assembly, and the power supply is located in the drive enclosure mounted on or near the fan. It's efficient and easy to operate, and less expensive than the previous setup.
We're actually receiving power from the drives that Mitsubishi Electric provides, and working with them in a partnership to develop a product that allows us to do that has been a core piece of our success as a business.
Are you ready to unlock a world of improved efficiency, productivity, and top-notch production with automation? Let us be your dedicated partner in this exciting journey. Together, we can co-create a solution that empowers you to thrive in today's competitive markets. Visit our website to learn about our solutions and to connect with an automation expert.